In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for meeting agendas with Dashboard Doc or tasks. If you're looking for a more organized and efficient way to prepare for meetings, this setup will help you keep everything structured, easy to access, and simple to manage. To begin, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Login option and sign in to your account. If you usually sign in through Google, you can choose that option and select the account linked to your ClickUp workspace. After logging in, you'll be taken to your main workspace. From here, navigate to the workspace where you want to create your meeting agenda system. Inside this workspace, look for the three-dot menu, which opens additional options. Click on it, then select Templates from the list. This will take you to a section where you can explore pre-built setups designed to save time and effort. Next, click on the option to browse templates. In the search bar, type in Team Meeting to find templates specifically designed for managing meetings. Once the results appear, select the template intended for team meeting management. This template is designed to handle various aspects of meeting planning, making it a great starting point. After selecting the template, click on the option to use it. This step imports the template directly into your workspace. Once it's added, take a moment to rename it to something clear and relevant, such as a weekly meeting title. Updating the name helps you quickly identify it later, especially if you're managing multiple templates. Confirm the changes to finalize the setup. Now, to improve how you view and manage your meeting data, move on to creating a dashboard. In the main menu, find and click on Dashboards, then select the option to create a new dashboard. When prompted, choose a simple layout to keep things clean and easy to understand. Make sure to set the location of this dashboard to the template you just created. This ensures that all related information stays connected and organized in one place. After that, proceed to create the dashboard. Once your dashboard is ready, rename it to something descriptive so it's easy to locate in the future. With everything in place, you now have a complete system for managing meeting agendas using ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.